Hello there and welcome back to Meals by Mary. Today we're making a signature Middle Eastern dish that is specially loved in the Levantine region. It is called Mujadara, made from just simple few ingredients including bulgur, lentils, and lots of caramelized onions. So let's start. Start by cooking 1 cup of lentils, add just enough water to cover them, then let it simmer until they are tender and cooked through. While the lentils are cooking, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. You will need about 1 cup and a half of bulgur and 1 onion. I'm making a smaller batch so 1 onion is just enough. Chop it into small cubes. In a pot, add ghee or your favorite oil. You can add olive oil or vegetable oil. Both work just fine. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped onion. We just want it to get some color, and when that starts happening, stir in half a teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of black pepper, and salt to taste. I added about a teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together, then add the bulgur, which I already washed really well. Stir it with the rest of the ingredients. By now, our lentils should be cooked. You will know they are ready if you can easily smash one between your fingers. Once they are tender, strain them and add them to the pot as well. At this point, we are almost done. Did you know that this recipe is actually 700 years old? Now add water till it almost covers the bulgur, but do not cover it completely. It is a bit different than rice. It doesn't absorb as much water, so add just enough water to almost cover it. Keep the heat on high and cover the pot. Once the water has reduced, lower the heat and let it cook gently until it's ready. It's going to take about 20 minutes. You will know it's ready when everything is tender. Now, while that is cooking, let's prepare our caramelized onion. Mine are on the smaller side, so I'm using the equivalent of about 1 to 1.5 onions. And honestly, caramelized onions are so delicious, you might want to make extra just to snack on them. Slice the onions, then place them in a bowl and toss them with a little cornstarch. Heat some oil in a pan. You will know it is hot enough when you drop in a piece of onion and it sizzles right away. Then go ahead and add the rest of your onions. Just do not overcrowd the pan or they won't cook evenly. You can always do it in batches, and this is exactly what I did. Now, traditionally, this dish is served with a few side salads, and I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorites: yogurt and cucumber salad and simple tomato salad. We're going to start with this yogurt and cucumber salad. It is cool, refreshing, and the perfect balance to the warmth of mjadara. We're going to need 3 cucumbers, 1 clove of garlic, a juice of 1 lemon, and half a cup of yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt, but you might need to thin it out with lemon juice or water and lemon juice mixed together. Now to that, add your lemon juice, garlic, a pinch of salt, and mix it really well. We want it to be creamy and delicious. I'm going to add dried mint here. You can also use oregano. And lastly, the cucumber. I'm chopping up 3 cucumbers into small cubes. This salad is so good you can eat it on its own or pair it with any spicy dish. It is super refreshing and really helps balance out the heat. And for the best results, let it chill in the fridge before serving it. Now I'm going to add the cucumbers to the yogurt mix. Then I'm going to garnish it with dried mint, and that is it. Let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes, 1 hour, or until you're ready to serve it. Now for the tomato salad. This one is super simple and will be ready in just 5 minutes. It is delicious and goes perfectly with the mjaddara. You're going to need tomato, 2 tomatoes, an onion, scallions, olive oil, and lemon juice. Now start by cutting your tomatoes into medium-sized cubes. I'm using ripe juicy tomatoes. They are sweet, tangy, and full of flavor, which makes the salad so refreshing. And this is how I like to cut my tomatoes so nothing goes to waste. I find this salad to taste pretty close to pico de gallo, so if you like that, you'll probably love this one. Comment down below if you would like to see my version of pico de gallo. Now let's move on to the onion. I'm using a small one. If yours is bigger, just use half. Chop it into small chunks. As usual, you will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Now add your onions to a bowl along with your tomatoes. Next, cut your scallions into slightly larger pieces and add them to the bowl. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Drizzle about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add a pinch of salt. For a finishing touch, sprinkle some dry tomato or oregano on top. Now I'm pretty sure that this dressing is the easiest dressing you've ever made in your whole life. And that is it. Let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes so all the flavors can come together beautifully. And there you have it, our classic mujadara served with refreshing cucumber and tangy tomato salad. Simple, wholesome, and full of flavor. I love how the caramelized onion add that sweet richness and the salads balance it perfectly. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.